Oh. Again, kiss baby, smile in the forehead. Oh.
Again, I will kiss baby smile.
Okay. Oh. Oh, you kiss tatay also. Oh.
Again, I will kiss baby smile again.
Again. Oh.
Then tatay.
I love you.
I love you.
Ah, sweet Kuya Yusuf. Why are you so sweet? Hmm?
I will go here. I will look outside.
Oh, remove your slipper. Sweet. Nilalaro na niya yung kapatid niya. Oh. Tulog naman yung isa. Ayun, tulog yung isa. Ay, paglaro siya. Kunwari, kinakalikot niya yung paa. Kunwari, kinikiliti niya. Kunwari lang, nakikiliti naman daw yung isa. Ang galit oh. Naglalaro na sila, Ayan si Habibti. Lakad-lakad muna sila ni Yusuf. Nandito kami sa 309. So, today is our last day. Last day na rin natin, no? Last night na. Huling gabi. Bukas sa alis na rin kami ng tanghali.
Come on, tatay.
See? Look at him. He's playing around here.
Come on, tatay.
Oh no! Faster! He's coming! Kaya may railings pala yan. Para kila nanay. Ayun, May katabi pala tayo, Habibti.
Gitna tayo.
May tao dito sa 308. Siguro. Ayun. Ayan, si Kuya Yusuf. Kumakain si Kuya Yusuf na yung pagkain ni nanay, kinakain niya.
Let's a love language. I mean, food is the most amazing experience. So look at, it makes us who we are.
This little girl so behave same like Kuya Yusuf. Yeah? He's so same sa'yo, Kuya Yusuf. Yeah?
You're listening to nanay.
You're so very good behave. Same like Kuya Yusuf.
Yes po.
I kiss you already. When you came out, I kiss you too.
Nanay smile.
More hug pa.
More hug pa.
More hug.
Yeah, that's not happening. Ever.
Baby smile also hug Kuya Yusuf.
This is
Yeah.
our military prototype. Gal.
I'm looking at baby Kuya Yusuf.
I don't understand it. This is the fifth iteration. Why is it keep turning out?
Nalaglag yung bonnet niya.
It's just some bugs in the final render. We had no idea what was precious. What wasn't.
Not to work.
We took away things people killed each other for now.
Really? You have a book. Can I see it? Oh, I just want to look at it.
Yun.
Wake up, wake up.
Ano sabi mo? Ano?
Buti na lang, di mo nakamukha. Patagilan din, ha?
Ayun na, may dalang balon si
You
ate.
want to touch him? Huh? You want to touch him?
Beto.
Inay. Hanggang kailan daw siya dito? Di ba bad trip siya?
Oo.
Hanggang bukas lang?
Ito na yung lobo ate, Wala nang hangin agad. Ayan. Uy. Sobra na yan. Gift ni nanay. So, ayan. Nag-enjoy naman siya sa lobo ni Baby Ismail na yan. Hindi nga kay YP. Nay? Oh no, Nanay Sauchi. Sobra na yan?
Nanay,
Ah.
isa pa yan.
Today is our last day, yeah? Tomorrow, lalabas na rin kami. Kawawa naman si Kuya Yusuf. Kagabi umiiyak to eh. Sabi niya, tatay, please, let's go home po. Yeah? Sabi niya, tatay, di ba you said we're going home na? Kawawa naman.
I love you, Kuya.
Yeah? But today's our last day, Kuya Yusuf. Tomorrow we're going home. For real. Yeah? Yan, nanay. Inshallah. Nanay can walk na. Nanay can reach the toilet already. Ayun.
Kawawa, Kuya Yusuf.
Kuya Yusuf want to go home na. See, all his toys is here. The tow truck, the tanker, police car, the fire truck, and
No, it's not faithful.
this is the fire truck. Look. Oh,
It's faithful.
and this is a tractor. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're going home tomorrow, inshallah. Yeah? Okay, but tonight, but now, let me change your nappy. Come here. Oh, nag-enjoy siya dun sa balloons ni ate. Thank you, tol, sa sa pa-flowers. Sa balloons. Salamat.
So much.
Salamat po. Ay, good morning, guys. Ayan, today is our last day na. December 9. Nagpe-prepare na kami kasi it's already 9:15 a.m. Yan, 15 a.m. yung time. So, papunta na rin si Doc. Last visit. Tapos, sa labas na kami. And si Kuya Yusuf, he wants to go home na. Ayan. Ito na yung mga naging pake na ulit kami. Tapos, pake. So, ayun, inshallah. Si Baby Ismail, tulog pa. Ay. So, tulog yan ni Baby Bunso eh. Oh. Kuya, you gonna miss our room?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Ang dami namin ba, ano? Yung charger pa pala. So, ayun lang. Naliligo si nanay. Naliligo si nanay kasi nga paalis na rin kami.
Ano, Mom?
Ang si Kuya Yusuf, nag-aayaman mo.
Go? Come on. Come on, Tatay.
Dahan-dahan.
Doon ka sa nanay. Sige, pakat mo na lang.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Nice. Así.
Hey, where? Here. Where? There.
Ayan, kauwi lang namin. Ito yung mga gamit namin, binaba ko sa sasakyan. So, ito yung lobo. Si Kuya, namiss ang kanyang mga toys. Yeah, Kuya? You miss your toys?
Yeah.
Tapos may mga sinampay pa ako. Ayun. Tapos, eto nga pala. Hi, Ate Lynn. Happy birthday. Tsaka salamat ulit dito sa Di ba, YP? Sa crib. Ito yung regalo ni Tita Linlin kay Kuya Yusuf. Yeah, Kuya Yusuf? Eto, i-assemble natin ngayon yung crib niya. Ni Baby Ismael. Dami pang gagawin. Ang dami ko pang tutupiin. Tapos lalagay ko pa to. Tapos ililiquid ko pa yung mga gamit namin kanina sa ospital. Ayan, naglalaba ko. Tapos may binili kaming kama kay Kuya Yusuf. Ayan. From IKEA. I-assemble ko din yan mamaya. So, yun. Yung crib, yung kama, tapos yung mga gamit, aayusin natin. Siguro huli na yung magtutupi ako ng damit. Kasi naglalaba pa ako. Si Abibti, oh. Relax. Tapos yung palabas is a drip. So, today is December 9, 2024. 3. So, ayan guys. Ayan lang ang hanas namin. Tapos ang laking tigyawat ko dito. Grabe, parang nana. Ang dami kong gagawin. Sige na guys. Bye-bye. Popost ko na rin ito mamaya. Pag nakapagpahinga. Baby? Show me. Oh. Why so pogi? Sleeping pa. Sleeping pa si Baby Ismael. Tapos si Kuya Yusuf niya, oh.
Look,
Namiss yung mga toys niya.
wow, yata cute si Dad.
You miss your toys?
Yes, thank you for buying toys for Tatay.
I say thank you also to Nanay. Thank you for buying toys po. Okay guys, bye-bye.